Okay guys, so in this video I will guide you on how to change the virtual environment or home environment of the MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S. Obviously, with the recent updates and changes that has been made to the UI of the MetaQuest 3 and MetaQuest 3S, you can no longer completely change your virtual environment, and you also do not have to go over to the settings. All you just have to do is to press on the menu button on the left hand controller, and automatically you're going to be taken to this page. Currently it is called scenery instead of virtual environment as it used to be, and at the time of making this video we only have 5 sceneries. Basically you would have to download each and every one of them, so you can go ahead and choose the midnight scenery over here by just selecting on it, and then just give it a couple of seconds. You can see that it does not actually change what we have going on around us, but particularly on the scenery, that is the part that we view. And unfortunately a lot of people might not like this, but this is exactly how it is currently. You can go ahead and change to the valley scenery as well, and again it is just going to change the parts you can view from over here. You're also going to notice some little changes like the flowers around us. Basically, these are the options we have currently. Also, you're going to notice that we have what is called the objects now, and these are basically the things you have around us on the home environment, and you can further customize it. For instance, you can remove the browser and the Instagram. The browser is literally over here, and I think the Instagram is somewhere around here. You can as well go ahead and log into your account and then get your Instagram reels customized. But more importantly, you can choose to actually remove the browser and also remove the Instagram, but you cannot actually change the avatar mirror and the horizon central option we have over here. And if you want to replace these with any app, you can go ahead and maybe open up a particular application. Take for instance the YouTube application. You can just open up that particular application and then further tap on this 3-dot icon at the bottom over here. Go ahead and tap on the anchor option, and basically you can choose to place this wherever you want to place it here, or even choose to place it somewhere around here. And with the anchor feature, whenever you exit and then come back to your MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S, you should be able to easily find this particular app that you have anchored exactly where you place it on the MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S. And you can literally do this for any application on your device. And I hope this was helpful to help you customize and change the home environment or virtual environment of your MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.